Hey guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to unbox MIVI DouPods A25 wireless buds. Okay, so here is the box and it is a very lightweight, and this DouPods comes with high bass and deep bass. So let's unbox this. As you can see, the box is very shiny and very premium looking. Okay, so now as you can see the features, highlighted features here. It comes with deep bass, and it comes with 40 hours battery life, IP68 rating, and touch controls button. Okay, so guys, as you can see that the push the limit slogan is mentioned here, and some key features is also mentioned here. Okay, so as you can see here, I am going to unbox it and open it. So here we get the MIVI documentations, and as you can see, this is the welcome to the crew card by the MIVI, and this MIVI card documentation is required for the registration of your warranty from the date you purchased this product. Okay, this product is very cheap and lightweight as compared to quality, and this is the user manual for MIVI. You can read this by pausing the video. Okay, as you can see, you can pause the video and read it. Okay, now in this video I'm not gonna to show you the features of this product and blah blah blah. I'm only going to show you that if you need this or not. As you can see here, you can also get earbuds tip. This is the small size and this is the large size, and the medium size is already installed at your buds. And one more thing you get, that's the USB Type-C cable, and this is very good that you get a Type-C cable for this price range as earbuds. Okay, and this data cable is also original, and there is nothing in the box after these two things. Okay, now as you can see, this is the MIVI main product. Okay, and this is the box which is empty now. So guys, in this video I'm only gonna to show you should you buy this product or not, the sound quality and the honest review by a reviewer. Okay, I'm not going to show you the features of this product. So as you can see, here is the 4 light indicator at the box of this AirPods. Okay, so you can check the battery life by 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. 4 lights. Okay, and the earbuds comes with its separate light, which is red in color and white in colors. Okay, this is the MIVI branding, and it's looking so cool and premium. So now as you can see, the ear tips are very good, and this case you will get the battery, additional battery. Okay, and including case you can play music for up to 40 hours as claimed by the company. Okay, and as you can see, the driver size is very large of this earbuds. The drivers is very good. One more thing I want to tell you, that this is made in India, claimed by MIVI. Okay, and you also get 1 year warranty with this product. Now guys, I'm going to show you the earbuds, and the earbuds quality is also very great. Okay, now I'm going to show you and connect this product with my PC. The fitting of this earbuds is also very comfortable. So guys, let us connect the Bluetooth with my MIVI earbuds, and as you can see, in my PC there is a Bluetooth option, and I can connect my MIVI DouPods A25 from here, and as you can see, it is connected now. As you can see, this is connected. So guys, now the video main point is that should you buy it or not. So guys, in my conditions, I can tell you that I will going to compare this earbud with OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z neckband, which cost around 2000 rupees. Okay, and I will definitely tell you that the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z sound quality is far better than this. Okay, if you are the user of any OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, base edition or normal edition and you are thinking to buying this, so don't buy this because you will not like the sound quality of this DouPods over the OnePlus Buds Wireless Z neckband. Okay, and guys, the sound quality is not too awesome. The sound have distortions after the 70% volume or higher. Okay, and the bass is too much. Literally, the bass is too much. If you like the bass and you like bass boosted songs, you can buy this, but the bass is too much. You can't hear the trebles and instrumental sounds from your song. Okay, so I will not recommend you if you are not like bass too much, and the sound quality is varies for decent. Okay, I should prefer the sound quality decent because the sound quality have too much bass, which is too much. Yes, for a normal person it is too much, and the sound quality is definitely worse than OnePlus Buds Wireless Z. After using this, my ear is paining. Okay, so OnePlus Buds Wireless Z neckband is far better than this. And if you like earbuds, okay, and you are using earbuds for first time, you should definitely buy this, because if you are buying first time earbuds, you will definitely like this, and the 40 hours battery backup will help you. And guys, this is my review, and this is the honest review that I will not recommend you if you like clear sounds and the sound quality matter for you. And if you are a new beginner for earbuds, you can definitely buy this and enjoy. You can't see any difference because this is the first earbuds for you. Okay, so guys, this is the review of MIVI DouPods A25. If you like my video, please share my video and subscribe my channel for more quality contents.